How exciting! Kwazii and Captain Barnacles right here in the Octopod!
Captain, what's the trouble?
There's a creature stuck in the bubble engine. It sounds like it's giving the Octopod an electric shock.
That's not good for the Octopod or the creature.
Octo Cadets, we're going to need your help. But first, you'll need to be trained.
Are you guys ready for some Octo training?